In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a bank account in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first thing you want to do is navigate to the home page of the Odoo website. This is where you'll have access to all your apps. Once you're on the home page, look for the option labeled Accounting. Go ahead and click on that. Now that you're in the Accounting section, you'll see a few different options available to you. Look for the Bank option. Click on that to proceed. This will take you to a new screen where you can manage all your banking information. Once you're in the Bank section, your next step is to click on the button that says Add New Bank. You should see this option prominently displayed. When you click that, you'll enter a page that allows you to connect your bank account. Now this part is crucial. You'll see a list of banks that you can choose from. Click on the bank you want to add. After selecting your bank, the next step is to click on the Connect button. This establishes a connection between Odoo and your chosen bank, ensuring that your transactions can be synced and managed seamlessly. Following that, you'll need to fill in the necessary information. Odoo will prompt you for some details like your account number, the bank's routing number, and any other relevant information that ensures your bank account is set up correctly within Odoo. Make sure you fill this out accurately to avoid any issues down the line. Once you've entered all the information, Odoo will typically confirm your connection. You might see a message indicating that your bank account has been successfully added, or you might get a prompt for further steps depending on the bank's requirements. And there you have it. You've successfully added a bank account in Odoo. Managing finances through Odoo can streamline your accounting process and help you keep track of your business's financial health. Remember, if you have any issues along the way, Odoo has a comprehensive help section that you can refer to, or consider reaching out to their customer support for assistance. If you found that helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more instructional content like this. Thanks for watching, and happy accounting with Odoo.